This is NCRE Solutions chapter number 4, Quadratic Equations, exercise 4.3, question number 2. The question is, find the roots of the following quadratic equations by applying quadratic formula. So we have 4 problems in this one, and the very first problem is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. Now the very first step in order to solve any given quadratic equation by applying quadratic formula is to find the values of a, b and c constants. When we compare both of these equations, this is general form of quadratic equations. In order to find the values of a, b and c, we compare both the equations. So here we get a equal to 2, b equal to minus 7 and c equal to 3. And the quadratic formula is x equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now I'll be just putting the values here to find the value of x. Just put the values of a, b and c in quadratic formula. So minus b here is minus 7 plus minus square root of b square is minus 7 square minus 4ac. 4 times 2 times c, it's 3, divided by 2 times a. 2 times a is 2. So I get here minus 7 is plus 7 plus minus square root of minus 7 square is 49 minus 4 times 2 is 8 and 8 times 3 is 24, divided by 2 times 2 is 4 here, and it becomes equal to 7 plus minus square root of 25 divided by 4, and it's equal to, and square root of 25 is 5, denominator is 4. So I have x equal to 7 plus minus 5 divided by 4 till now. So in one case I will have to consider this positive sign, and other case I will have to consider this negative sign. So x is equal to 7 plus 5 divided by 4, and also x is equal to 7 minus 5 divided by 4. So here I get 7 plus 5 is 12 divided by 4, and it's equal to 3. And in this case I get x equal to 7 minus 5 is 2 divided by 4 equal to 1 by 2. So x is equal to 3 and 1 by 2, and this is the solution of this given quadratic equation by applying quadratic formula. In the similar way we can solve other problems. Let's go through problem number 2. Problem number 2 is 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0. Now I repeat the same process here. I will have to compare this given quadratic equation with the general quadratic equation, and we will get the values of constants a, b and c. Comparing these two equations, I get a equal to 2, b equal to 1 and c equal to minus 4. And quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and it's equal to minus b is minus 1 plus minus square root of b square is 1 square minus 4 times a is 2 and c is minus 4 divided by 2a. 2a is 2 times 2, and it's equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 minus 4 times 2 is minus 8, and minus 8 times minus 4 is plus 32, and 2 times 2 is 4 here. So I get here minus 1 plus minus square root of 33 divided by 4. So I get x equal to minus 1 plus square root of 33 divided by 4, and x equal to minus 1 minus square root of 33 divided by 4. In one case we will have to consider this positive sign, and in other case we will have to consider this negative sign. So I get two values of x here, and this is the solution of problem number 2 of this quadratic equation by applying quadratic formula. Let's go to the third problem, and third problem is 4x square plus 4 under root 3x plus 3 equal to 0 here. Now we repeat the same process. We compare this given quadratic equation with general quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Comparing both of these, I get a equal to 4, b equal to 4 square root of 3, and c equal to 3. And the quadratic formula is x equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and it's equal to minus 4 under root of 3. I'm just putting the values of a, b and c now in this quadratic formula, and b is 4 under root 3, and I get plus minus square root of b square, it's 4 under root 3 square, minus 4 times a is 4, and times c is 3, divided by 2a. 2 times a is 2 times 4, it's equal to minus 4 square root of 3 plus minus square root of 4 under root 3 square. 4 under root 3 times 4 under root 3, it's equal to 16. 4 times 4 is 16, and square root of 3 times square root of 3 is 3, and it's equal to 48. So I write here 48 minus 4 times 4 is 16, and 16 times 3 is again 48, divided by 8. So I get here x equal to minus 4 square root of 3 plus minus square root of 0 divided by 8. So I can write here x equal to minus 4 under root 3 plus minus 0 divided by 8. Now I have here plus sign and negative sign. So considering both of these one by one, I can say that x is equal to minus 4 square root of 3 divided by 8, and minus 4 square root of 3 divided by 8, minus 0 here and plus 0 here, because in one case I consider this positive sign and other case I consider this negative sign. So I can write here they are equal to minus 4 under root 3 divided by 8 and minus 4 under root 3 divided by 8, and they are equal to, if I cancel these, 4 is cancelled by 8, I can write they are equal to minus under root 3 divided by 2 minus under root 3 divided by 2. So I get here two values of x which are equal to each other. So this is a solution of this given quadratic equations. Here we get two equal values of x, which is minus square root of 3 divided by 2, and the other one is also minus square root of 3 divided by 2. And now I'm going through the fourth problem. It is 2x squared plus x plus 4 equal to 0. Now comparing this with the general quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, I get a equal to 2, b equal to 1, and c equal to 4 here. Now applying quadratic formula, I can write that x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now putting just the values here, I can write b is 1 here, so I write minus 1 plus minus square root of b square is 1 square minus 4 times a is 2 and c is 4, divided by 2 times a, it's 4, equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 minus 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 4 is 32 here, divided by 4. So and it's equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of minus 31 divided by 4. Now in this problem I get here something negative in the square root, but square root of anything in negative is not defined, because square root of minus 31 is not defined. Actually square root of any negative number is not defined, so there is no solution for this problem. So we write no real solution, or no real roots you can say. So we don't have any value of x here, no real value of x here which can satisfy this equation. So that's it about the problem number 2. In the next video I'll be covering NCERT solutions chapter number 4, quadratic equations, exercise 4.3, question number 3. This was all about question number 2. See you guys in the next video.